Back to Main Street, Sturgis. Third day of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, Sunday morning, August 6th. Parked down here at the quiet end. There we go. Alright, let's go walk around Sturgis a little bit again. Yeah, Junction in Maine right now. And I think I'm going to take and go walk down Lozelle. See what's shaking down Lozelle Avenue down this way. That's the end of the ride right there. Alright, I decided to come over here where it's a little bit more quiet to be able to talk. But anyways, that was one of the charity rides of the rally. alley. I don't know which one. I think it may have been from the Buffalo Chip. I'm not sure. They came from that direction. So, I don't know. Anyways, I think that's going to be a video by itself. That's this one. I'm going to wrap it up, and then I'm going to continue filming and post that video tomorrow. This one is going to post today, so I can get it a video posted today. Because yesterday all I did was stay at in my tent the whole time. It pretty much rained all day, and I just didn't feel like going out in it, so I just stayed in the tent the whole time. So this is going to be, this video is posting today, and I'm going to continue videoing and have a video posted up tomorrow too. So, okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.